Today we're going to make a cheesy biscuit with those biscuits that come out of the can. You can find in the refrigerator section of the store. So this has 6, so I cut them up into little squares, and I cut up some pulled cheese that comes in the wrappers. So I'm going to cut the cheese into chunks. Now that's mozzarella, by the way, cheese. And then I'm going to mix it all together in a bowl. So I'll let you watch me do that. As you can see, I'm cutting the little chunks. And what the process here is to make sure that everybody gets some cheese in every little bite. So you want to make sure you dice those good. As you can see. So now we grab a bowl, my favorite bowl, and we take the mixture and we toss it together. I'm going to top that off with some basil flavored olive oil and then some spicy pasta seasoning. You can use your own if you want, but that has onion, garlic, basil, and oregano in it. Salt and pepper too, I think. And so we're going to toss that all together so it's nice and coated. Every piece is coated well. And of course, as you see, I have a muffin tin that I sprayed with vegetable oil. There you go. So now you're going to grab a little ball about the size of a golf ball, maybe larger, twice the size. But anyway, you throw it in your tin, and your hands are all oily, of course, but that's okay. And you throw each one into a muffin tin. These are deep muffin tins I bought. You could use the basic muffin tin. I think that's for popovers. My husband uses it for. So make a nice ball. Make sure they all stick together. And preheat your oven to 350. These are going to go in there for a good 10 minutes. You can read the package. I think it says 9 minutes, but I want to make sure my cheese is melted. So 350. And then I top each one with a little dollop of butter. It's going to give it a nice crust. Everybody likes butter. And then here they are. They come out, and you serve them on a plate. And look how shiny and pretty and delicious looking. And let me tell you, they really are. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.